Learn basics of HTML and CSS. Studying HTML and CSS is an excellent approach to get started with web development. You can do the following actions to understand the fundamentals of HTML and CSS. Start with the basics. Start by becoming familiar with HTML and CSS basics. Locate online resources. You may learn HTML and CSS by using the many online resources that are available. Coding practice. Coding practice is necessary to learn the language. Make modest, straightforward HTML and CSS web pages to start. Join online communities. Take part in online communities like Reddit, GitHub, and Stack Overflow. These groups provide a lot of knowledge and tools for web developers. Follow web developers. Follow other web developers on social media, go to web development events, and participate in online forums to pick up tips from other developers. Continue to practice. To learn HTML and CSS, keep in mind that it requires time and effort. You will soon be producing fantastic websites if you are patient and keep practicing. Follow us for more tech tips and information.